Is there a difference between learning and development? What does it mean within your organisation, and how can you unlock the potential in your people? We're going to show you how.
Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people.
So most people think that L&D is learning and development, and they're one in the same thing. Well, I like to think about it differently. Learning is about continuous learning. It's about the courses, it's about the formal ways in which you learn. So it might be sending someone on a course, giving them a coach, giving them a mentor. It's about learning skills, knowledge, attributes that are going to make you drive higher performance. But development is based on the 70-20-10 model. 70% of development is on the job. 20% is through formal networks or informal networks. And 10% is only learning, and that is formal learning, so courses. And as an L&D director, we're spending our time and our money and our resources just on 10%. That doesn't feel right, right? So how are you thinking about the ways in which you build that into your learning and development strategy? Are you building that into career pathways, into succession planning, into performance, so that you're giving people an experience that talks to their head as well as their heart? Don't spend your budget just on 10%. Think about the holistic nature of the 70 and the 20. Build those networks, create opportunities for growth. Think about the stretch projects that people can do. Show them the world of possibilities through career pathways. So really think about how you can unlock learning and development. They're not the same thing. Let's start treating them as slightly different. So do you agree that there's a difference between learning and development? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Where are you spending your money and your resources and your time? Please leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.